Have you ever wondered which plants thrive best in high pH soils? Welcome to an exploration of alkaline gardens, where we'll uncover the top plant picks for soil with a high pH. Perfect for those blessed with lime-rich earth, these plants not only tolerate but flourish in alkaline conditions. First, let's dive into the timeless beauty of lavender. Renowned for its fragrant blooms, lavender thrives in well-drained alkaline soil. This Mediterranean native demands plenty of sunshine and brings a touch of elegance and aroma to any garden. Its resilience and delightful purple hues make it a gardener's favorite. Next up is the stalwart rosemary. Known for its aromatic leaves, this herb is not just suited to your kitchen, but also ideal for alkaline gardens. Its hardy nature means it can withstand tough conditions, while its evergreen foliage provides year-round interest. It's a must-have for any garden enthusiast. Moving on, we find the majestic lilac. This flowering shrub captivates with its aromatic clusters of blooms in spring. Lilacs are not just pretty to behold. They appreciate alkaline conditions and reward gardeners with vibrant displays and captivating scents. They invite wildlife and add a classic charm to any landscape. Now, let's consider the elegance of Clematis. Known for their colorful, large flowers, Clematis plants can adapt to various pH levels, but many species shine in alkaline soils. With the right support, they climb and cascade, creating stunning vertical displays. Finally, the versatile geranium concludes our list. With its vivid blooms that feature throughout the summer, geraniums love lime-rich soils and are perfect for borders and pots alike. In conclusion, whether for fragrance, beauty, or structure, these enchanting plants are superb choices for gardening in alkaline conditions. Embrace the potential of your high pH garden and watch as it transforms into a haven of color and scent.